Bro, my hair is rough again, bro. I ain't even put no oil. Look at this. Look at this. I can't get jiggy with this. Like, come on now. I need a haircut, bro. Like, I got peas in my head. I'm put oils in my hair as soon as I get to the house, but I just got a truck. Just like, I got 3 more days left. Then my test Saturday. Kinda, you know, nervous or not, whatever. But we're gonna be alright. Bro, certain people, let me show you. They be in the truck, bro. Look at that, that's the jackknife. I hear about the jackknife. I should have showed y'all when he was jackknifing. But some people be jackknifing. Some people jackknifing. What that is on my chin? I don't know what that was, but some people jackknifing and stuff. You ain't even supposed to jackknife. They don't even be knowing how to operate the truck. But y'all, I need to go get some ice in my But yeah, man, back with another video today. Yeah, I gotta start recording more for y'all. But I'm trying to get up in this truck and do this alley dock. People wouldn't take too long. Don't worry about it. I still got it. I really need to do my inspection. When I pass my inspection, I'm straight. They got to pass the inspection, that's all. All the obstacles gonna be decent to me. For me. The road test gonna be decent for me. Not being cocky, I'm just confident. But I think I got this though. Pull out this. I'm ready to jump back in school. That's what I'm ready for. That's why this taking all the time. After I'm done with this, I'm gonna jump back in school. I wanna go back into my football career. Like, I got a passion for football. I want to so bad. I just gotta stay focused on one thing though, and pray. But everything gonna fall in place. I ain't even tripping. Shit, YouTubing and that, shit, that's gonna, my purpose to show one or the other. But yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned. I'm just waiting on my turn to get in this truck. I ain't even talk y'all ears to death. And then record from there. I'll probably record in the truck for y'all. I don't know, y'all probably hate seeing me get recording in the truck. But I'm gonna say one thing though. You gotta subscribe to my channel. It's different, man. You gotta have 3 points of contact, you know, getting in and getting out the truck. Oh, this truck different. This truck different. I forgot this the test truck. I don't know if y'all can see me or not, but this the test truck. Focus, baby. I don't know why I'm looking at this noise. Oh, nah, it ain't. I don't even know y'all can see me because the thing's so in the messed up angle. Oh yeah, this truck different. This is a different breed right here. It's a different breed right here. This truck. And it's the test truck. Oh. Hold on. I'm fried. Alright, the scene really good. That nigga right there. I'm tripping. nigga be trying to help. Let me do my own shit. This shit right here different, for real. I gotta get used to this. This is a freight line. This truck different. Different, bitch. I said this truck different.
This truck is different, huh?
Straight line back, y'all. Hopefully. I'll try. Damn, this bit hard. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. That'd be harder. Oh, I got it. That'd be different. But I gotta straighten up though. That's all that is. They be trying to talk to me and fuck me up, bro. Different. There we go. About time. Let me go check real quick. I don't even know if I got it in the box. Then we'll be checking. I'm in the box. I gotta check. Let me check real quick. That's a lot of space right there.
Ready? Right there. Now go look, see how that looks.
That bitch probably fucked up. I can't see no shadow. That shadow shit ain't no sun, so. Oh, that be alright. The test truck harder, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. But I watch how I shake back and get it right. I always get it right. But this truck right here harder. I don't know why it's that hard. It's like the landing gear too close. I mean, for all the people who don't know what the landing gear is, that's where you it's the legs where you crank up the truck when you separate the truck and the trailer. Well, it's the legs where you crank up the trailer, I meant, so you could separate the truck from the trailer. And that bit. But I've been practicing on how many trucks out here? It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different trucks out here, man. And we've been on every truck. They should have just stuck to one test truck, like every truck the same, but all trucks different. I don't know, like this. The school good, but it's like I think they mentally not smart when it comes to certain things out here. They got us doing fucking inspection on different trucks when it ain't even the same as the test trucks. Got us driving different trucks and shit. But I don't know, man. Y'all gotta. Thought I was lying. I was like, this truck too new. This the test truck too. You see your landing gear? I'm at your K-frame. All right, go a little bit past it.
What the fuck I just did?
Oh, you ain't turn straight.
Oh, I ain't turned straight.
Oh, you gotta go back up. Get back straight. You can see on both sides. Oh, you gotta go back that way. You good? Nope. When you back up, do straight line back.
It's cricket though.
Hell no, you on the wrong line. You on the wrong line. Alright, so look, you can stop right there. Now what that be? Right, all your wheel left. No, right.
I don't smoke.
Wait, the man, he bald head ass.
That's what you McCall said. You smoke weed? I'm like, hell no, I ain't smoke. You smoke like weed? I'm like, nah, that's black and mild, man.
Right there. Don't go too far. You gonna pass that there.
I'm going to the middle.
A little bit past the middle. Just a little bit. Like,
Bam.
right there. Now hit that bitch straight. Right there. It will straight. I don't even go to the second lane to get no more, bro. That shit retarded. Shit, what we looking at? I'm gonna show them. I'm try to get them a good view back here. Let me fill up the camera for y'all.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's too far. See, this bit hard. You gotta try to whip that bit. Go back up. You can hit that cone.
This bitch hard, bro.
I'm gonna have to straighten the truck out and we good. You can switch. You come on this side, I'll go to the other side. That bit come hard though, I ain't gonna lie.
Nice titties. How you know it says I got my date?
Oh, your email? That bit popped up?
My regular email?
Yeah. The same email they sent you the
Google shit.
Huh?
Oh, you straighten it up?
Yeah, I'm gonna straighten it up. Them boys hit the tree over there and stuff.
Saturday at 12:30 p.m. I wish you best of luck. Oh my goodness. Ain't that a bit 12:30? I'm gonna be gone, bitch.
Nah, I'm gonna stay here.
I ain't coming in till about 10.
I'm gonna try to help Emmanuel out, bro. Yeah, you see why my first time getting out, like, bro, what the hell? And they talking about something. Yo, that bit different. The fucking Vladimir ain't trying to help your shit. I'm like, all right, y'all boys ain't trying to help. Fuck y'all.
Oh, Vladimir, I got it, huh?
Yeah, they ain't want to help a nigga. It's straight though. That's why I got that bill on my own.
You backing up now?
Yep.
You got it straight?
Yep. You ain't gonna see the K-frame, but
you got it right there.
Yeah, the way I'm angled,
like you way past that bit though. You see the cones?
Yeah. Don't worry about it. I gotta get back. I gotta get enough from the script. I'm gonna do it twice.
Yeah, it's too far up.
Ooh, I can get it in there now. Don't play with me. Did that bit turn all the way? I gotta at least get it in there. I hit something on that side, ain't it?
Let me check.
Gotta be. Don't play with me now. They bit messed up. The angle so off. This angle so off. I'm good. I'm good. Move that cone. I gotta get the truck straight. Damn, that bit kind of hard. My video too long. I'm tripping. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know what time it is. I might go one time. I'm gonna just leave it on. Damn, it'd be hard to see. Can't see. I can't see shit. I got that bit. Ha! You can do the hill. You want to do the hill? I'm done, man. I think I'm finna end my video because it's about to be time to leave in about an hour and 30 minutes. And I'm finna go ahead and study for the rest of the time being. So y'all go ahead and subscribe and like. You ain't got to comment, but that's my last week of trucking school. Y'all boys just go ahead and show love like y'all been doing. I'm gone.